welcome back to our channel. Today's session I am going to discuss about quite interesting topic. What is the difference between software language? So what is the abbreviation of HDL? So HDL represent hardware description language. So this language is mainly used to design the electronic circuits. For example, the combinational circuit and sequential circuit. So both the circuits comes under digital circuit. So digital electronics. If you need to design any type of combinational circuit or digital circuits, you can use the programming languages hardware description language. So it's the basic concept of HDL. Then software language. So this software language is help to design any type of applications like banking applications or database application or gaming application. So the type of applications you need to develop, in the sense you can use the software languages. So how the HDL is differ from software languages, that we will discuss in this session. So first column I describe the hardware description language, second column I describe software languages. The first difference is the HDL is specialized computer language used to describe the structure and behavior of electronic circuit. So this HDL circuit is a special language for computer. So this language is helped to design the structure model and also behavior model of electronic circuits. So the common circuit is DLC. So this DLC represents digital logic circuit. So in this digital logic circuit, if you need to design any type of sequential circuit or combinational circuit, you should use the hardware description language. And in software languages, so this language is a computer language used to write a set of instructions, to allow CPU to perform a specific task. Suppose the gaming application, you should give the gaming application related instruction to CPU. The CPU is performed to the specific task. So this is the first point. Then second one, the hardware description is more complex compared to software languages. So this software language is not as complex. And third point, the example of hardware description language. So in this hardware description language, the two examples of comes under. The first one is VHDL, the next one is Verilog. The abbreviation of VHDL is V represent very high speed hardware description language. The next example is Verilog. So these two languages comes under hardware description language. Then software languages, the examples of Java, C, C++, PHP, then etc. So these all comes under software languages. Then final one based on the applications. So here describe behavior of digital circuits. If you need to design any type of digital circuits, you should use the hardware description language. So this language is describe the behavior of the digital circuit, the operations of the digital circuits. In software language, it helps to develop various applications like banking application, gaming application and database application. So these are the major difference between HDL and software languages. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.